Are you tired of AI just giving you answers you forget instantly? Meet Socra, the AI tutor that makes you think harder, learn deeper, and remember longer. Using Socratic dialogue, it builds real understanding. Let's explore it together.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
Let's go to Google and search for Socra. I will provide the link in the description of the video and pin it in the comments. Using Socra, stop getting answers and start building understanding. Socra is an AI tutor that uses Socratic dialogue to make you think harder, learn deeper, and remember longer. It is perfect for guided discovery, active construction, and human-centric learning. It is available on web, iOS, and Android, and is completely free to start. No credit card required. Let me show you what a real learning session looks like. Here, we can learn about anything easily and in a way that is simple to understand. Now, click on Login. From here, we can log in with our Google account, continue with our Apple account, or use our email address to log in. For this demonstration, we will log in through our Google account. Once logged in, Socra will first ask some questions to personalize your experience. From here, you can select your current age group. I am a professional, so I will select Professional. You can select the option that best suits your situation. After that, we can add our profession and then click Save. Here, we can see various learning modes available. Socra offers multiple powerful approaches to learning, including the Idea Shaper, the Feynman technique, which helps you think deeply and arrive at answers on your own, and Protagoras, which trains you using the ancient Greek debate style. We can also use Study Recall for active memory training and critical thinking exercises to sharpen your reasoning. It can also be used as a homework tutor. From here, we can enter our query and find the best answer by selecting the most suitable learning mode. There are also different types of advanced AI models available, so we can choose the best one to get a correct and easy-to-understand answer. We can also add images or provide input using our voice, making it incredibly flexible and accessible. Now, let me ask our first question. Why is the sky blue? From the model options, we will select Gemini 1.5 Flash. After that, press Enter. Socra will start processing our request, so be patient. Once the output is ready, we can see the answer to our question presented in a clear and structured way. We can also start a chat and review our goals. Now, click on Review Goals. On the right side of the canvas, we can see the core goals generated by Socra. From here, we can refine and explore our answer further. We can also add a new goal easily. Once everything is set, click on Start Chat and press Enter. It will take a few seconds to generate a thoughtful, well-structured answer. We can also see helpful visuals here to better understand the topic. What makes Socra unique is that, unlike other chatbots that only provide answers in simple text form, Socra encourages you to think, recall, and explain, and supports your understanding with visuals and structured reasoning. This makes learning much more effective and long-lasting. Now, let's ask one more question. In the prompt bar, I will type, "Teach me how the frog life cycle works and help me understand why each step is important." Then, press Enter. Socra will start processing the answer. Once ready, everything is presented in a clear, sequential form. Just by looking at the diagram, we can easily understand the entire topic. We can also generate artifacts from the chat, and there are different learning modes available to select according to our need. Now, let's explore another mode. This time, we will select Wise Think Deeper, a mode that uses thought-provoking questions to guide you to your own answer. In the prompt bar, I will type, "How does the stock market work?" We can also change the AI model according to our preference. Once everything is set, press Enter. Socra will take a few seconds to process the answer. Once it's ready, it will present follow-up questions to deepen your understanding. We can choose the most relevant question, and Socra will generate a goal accordingly. On the right side of the canvas, we can review our goals and add new ones based on our needs. Now, let's try one more mode, Idea Shaper. This mode captures your ideas through conversation and shapes them into structured artifacts. I'll start by typing, "I want to start a YouTube channel about AI tools," and then press enter. You'll see that Socra immediately creates a note with this idea. Next, I want to add another note to refine my plan. This time, I'll type, "My target audience is students and freelancers," and press enter. Socra adds this as a new sticky note, helping me clarify my channel's focus. Let's add one more idea. I want to upload 3 videos every week and focus on AI tools. After pressing enter, Socra updates the content strategy, organizing all my notes into a clear plan. Now, let's use the Discuss with Socra feature. Click on it, and you can select a specific aspect to explore further. For example, I'll choose to discuss my YouTube strategy. Socra will help me brainstorm and refine my approach, offering actionable suggestions for starting and growing my channel. If I want to improve my channel, I can simply type, "How can I improve my YouTube channel?" and press enter. Socra will provide tailored advice on how to enhance my channel easily and effectively. As you can see, Socra's Idea Shaper acts as a scribe, recording and refining your thoughts through a multi-turn conversation. It's perfect for capturing ideas, building strategies, and turning your plans into actionable steps, all in one place, based on our input. This is the power of Socra. It does not just give you answers, it builds your understanding from the ground up. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye to expensive, robotic, and forgettable answers. Before we wrap up, it's important to mention that Socra supports cross-platform use. Whether you're on mobile, tablet, or desktop, you can access Socra seamlessly. There are dedicated apps for both iOS and Android, so you can learn and brainstorm on the go or from the comfort of your desktop. If you want to try Socra for yourself, just search for Socra in the App Store or Google Play Store and download the app. Start building real understanding, anytime, anywhere. Try Socra for yourself using the link in the description and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to Guru Tech Solutions for more updates on the latest AI tools and trends.